All right, guys, so we are out here in the paint booth. We've got the green paint right here and the silver paint right here, which is the color of the truck. We have the reflectors and the headlight assemblies, as you all seen. So I'm probably just gonna prep these and time lapse all of that. We're gonna sand them down with some 1000 grit sandpaper, adhesion promoter since they are plastic, and then some primer. As soon as you get full coverage on the primer, you can quit. You don't have to do multiple coats of primer on something like this. It's gonna be inside of a headlight. So literally the only thing that's gonna be getting is UV rays, and it's really not even gonna be getting that because the wind soaks up most of those. Primer, base coat, and clear coat. And as soon as you get full coverage with each, you don't have to worry about anything. And then the clear, I usually do 2 or 3 coats of clear. I'm gonna go ahead and show you these 2 colors. We'll open these up, and then I'm just gonna time lapse all of this. And the next time that I talk to you guys, this stuff will be painted, and it will be so sick. So this is the green color. Whoo, look at that, boys and girls. And obviously from where I just now shook that up, it's got some bubbles and such in it. But look at that. Really sick green. And that is the green for cerebral palsy awareness. That's kind of the color of that. And then here is the color of the actual truck. So you can kind of see those together. This is gonna be so sick for Braden. Don't know if I'll be able to get those bubbles down some, but you can see that, guys. That is a beautiful color. So these 2 colors together are gonna look awesome. Like I said, everything that's black right here is gonna be the silver, and then these reflectors are gonna be this really cool green. So I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping these and sanding these and spraying these down. And whenever I talk to you all again, like I said, these will be fully painted and cleared and everything ready to put back together. All right, guys, so we just now got all of the headlights base coated, and I know this was a Dodge video, so it's like, why are you showing me you painting headlights? That's just, I don't know. That's just how today's video is going. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, but we're doing truck stuff, so I hope you all like it, because if you're subscribed to the channel, you're here for truck stuff, and we're about to get into the Dodge. So we're about to talk about it. We're not gonna get anything done in today's video, but I am going to show you the physical color. I'm gonna open up the paint and show you the paint. Both colors, actually. I'm gonna get a little dot of it out, lay both the colors side by side, and you guys are going to be so excited, I think. And I want you all to comment down below and leave your opinion as well on the 2 color choices. Now, this was my idea. The customer, my buddy Emery, which is the owner of the Dodge, he is all for it. Super pumped with these color choices. I went there, you know, found these colors, and it's gonna be so sick. He's so excited, I'm so excited. I hope that you guys are excited as well. One thing that we are going to do today though, since I've got those headlights pretty much done, all I have to do is clear coat them. They are curing, all of the base coat, the green and the silver, both ready for clear as soon as they dry up a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out all of the parts right here on the floor, and we're gonna be able to look, and I'm gonna show you guys which part is going which color, and y'all are going to be able to picture this in your head and watch it come to life here on the Justin Ox Smith YouTube channel. And I couldn't be any more excited about that. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab all these parts right quick, and then we're gonna go over that. I'll be right back. All right guys, so we've got everything laid out here, and I say everything, but this is not everything. So we've got the upper control arms, the sway bar end links front and rear, the rear pucks to go on top of the coils, the front spindles, the front drop down cross members, and the front skid plate. Now some stuff that's left on the truck still is the lower control arms. So we are going to be painting the lower control arms. The lower control arms and the upper control arms are going to be blue, which I will show you here in just a second. We have a couple miscellaneous brackets back here. Whenever I figure out which ones are visible, I will choose a color for them, but these will be painted as well. For sure those two, that one, and I think those two, but we'll figure all that out here in just a little bit. And then in the rear, we have coil springs. Those will be painted as well. And then there's also a panhard bar or a track bar, whichever one you want to call it, that will be painted. I haven't decided on the track bar just yet because I haven't decided on the coils. So I wanted to go ahead and get the front pretty much done. Not really done, but I wanted to get the front all laid out and picture it in my head what all colors are going to be where, and then the rear what will be visible and what color it should be. But this is all of the stuff that's getting painted and more. So like I said, we've got the lower control arms for sure. They are going blue. The lower control arms will be blue, and the upper control arms will be blue. The spindles will be the gold color, and the cross members will be the gold color, and the skid plate will be blue. So it'll be a blue skid plate on the gold cross members, kind of offsetting it and jumping it around. It'll be so freaking clean looking. Other than these right here, there will be more parts getting painted than just these, so just bear with me. We are going to go ahead, and without further ado, I'm going to go to the paint booth, and we're going to open up the gold paint and the blue paint, and I'm going to show you guys how freaking sweet this paint is. All right guys, so we are out here in the paint booth. We've got the silver headlights that you just seen me spray, and we've got these green reflectors right here. And just wait till you see this stuff with clear coat, guys. This stuff freaking will pop. So right here we have the gold and the blue. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, guys. Please get down there in the comments below and comment what you think about these two colors, not only together, but what you think about the colors in general. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, guys. I'm so excited to show you this gold. Like this gold, oh my gosh, it makes me want to tear my whole truck completely back apart and do like silver and milled face plates or black and milled face plates with these freaking gold, with this gold on the suspension or something like that. That may be coming in the future, guys. I don't know just yet. Let me go ahead and open this up. I'm so excited. Oh yes. Look at that flake. And that's not even mixed up, but just look at those two colors together. Oh my gosh, that's gonna look so sick. Woo! There it is, guys. The two colors. Oh my gosh, they look so freaking good. And like this does no justice. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that color. I swear, and in person, it looks even better. Like, I am not even joking right here. It looks so much better. Even in person, it looks better. And it looks freaking good on camera. There they are, side by side. Obviously, like, the colors are mixing together and running and everything else off the stick, but look at that, guys. Alright, so that is the last look that y'all are gonna see of this. All right, guys, so that was the last time that you will see this gold until we start spraying the gold. We're gonna do the gold first, and then we will do the blue. So hopefully I can do all of the gold parts in one day, all of the blue parts in one day, then start installing all of the gold parts because they will be fully cured. And then that'll give you know, an extra day for the gold stuff to cure and the blue stuff to cure and all be completely hard enough to put on. But I'm gonna go ahead and clear coat these headlights and the reflectors. I don't think I'll be able to put them back together in this video because I want to upload this video today. So make sure that you get down there, hit that subscribe button, and check out in the next video. I should have some pictures with Braden giving him his headlights, and it's also his birthday. So huge happy birthday to Braden. I hope you have an awesome birthday, man. And I hope that you enjoy these headlights. I'm pretty sure that he's going to order some LED bulbs and you know, marker bulbs and turn signal bulbs or whatnot. Just to go ahead and freshen up the front end and do all LED everything since he's getting the custom built headlights put in. So I'm not sure when exactly you will get to see that, but I'll be sure to put that in one of my future videos, guys. Maybe even make a completely new video with all of the clips from this one, and then get some clips of installing the headlights and showing them in his truck and installing them and whatever, and show him, you know, with the finished product actually in his truck. And also maybe do a video on his truck, you know, his doors come out and everything. It's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this clear coat, guys, and I will see you as soon as we get done. We'll check this stuff out, and that'll be all for today's video. So I'm gonna go spray this clear coat right quick, and I'll talk to you in just a second. Alright guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Get ready for Monday or Tuesday or maybe even tomorrow, this weekend. I'm not sure when the next video will be up, but I will be filming, I will be editing. Don't you guys worry. I am bringing you all more truck content just like you all enjoy. I really appreciate each and every one of you all for tuning in. We just hit 8,700 subscribers, so we are almost to 9,000, closing in on that 10K milestone. I am so excited. Always remember, everybody starts out as a nobody, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.